Here's why we open the neutral on an overload condition in motor starters. There are several reasons. 1. Protection of electrical equipment. When an overload occurs, the current flowing through the motor and its related equipment exceeds safe operating limits. Opening the neutral circuit interrupts the flow of current, preventing damage to the motor, starter, and other components. It limits the overcurrent and prevents potential short circuit conditions. 2. Isolation of the affected circuit. Opening the neutral isolates the motor from the power source, allowing maintenance and troubleshooting to be performed without risk of further damage. It helps identify the source of the overload and prevent the spread of the fault to other circuits. 3. Reduction of arcing. When an overload occurs, the high current can create an electrical arc at the overload relay contacts. Opening the neutral reduces the voltage across the contacts, which in turn reduces the intensity of the arc. This helps protect the contacts from damage and prolongs the life of the relay. 4. Prevention of single phasing. An open neutral prevents the motor from operating in single-phase mode, which can cause overheating, vibration, and premature failure. Single phasing occurs when one of the phases is disconnected, resulting in an unbalanced load on the motor. 5. Protection of personnel. Opening the neutral circuit reduces the risk of electrical shock to personnel working on the motor or related equipment. The isolated circuit prevents current from flowing through the motor and its wiring when the neutral is open. It's important to note that opening the neutral should be done in conjunction with opening the other two phases to ensure complete isolation. The overload protection device must be properly sized and calibrated to detect and react to overload conditions effectively. Maintenance personnel should follow all safety procedures and lockout/tagout protocols when working on motor control circuits.